What happens when a £5 million hypercar faces off against a brand new Lamborghini V12 hybrid and a family wagon with 1,000 horsepower? It's no joke. Today, we're racing the Koenigsegg Jesko Attack, Lamborghini Revuelto, and a super-tuned BMW M3 Touring. Get ready for an epic ride. Check out the Lamborghini Revuelto. It's got a 6.5-liter V12 engine paired with 3 electric motors, cranking out a whopping 1,015 horsepower and 1,062 newton-meters of torque. With all-wheel drive and an 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox, this beast weighs around 1,870 kilos and comes in at about 450,000 pounds. Pure power meets hybrid tech. Check out the Koenigsegg Jesko Attack. It's absolutely insane. With a 5-liter twin-turbo V8 pumping out 1,280 horsepower and 1,000 newton-meters of torque, this beast weighs just 1,420 kilos. Absolutely. It'll cost you around £5 million. Check out the BMW M3 Touring. G-Tech Motorworks has seriously upgraded it with a built 3-liter twin-turbo straight-six engine, cranking out 1,000 horsepower and 1,100 newton-meters of torque. It's got all-wheel drive, launch control, and can still haul your groceries. Total cost, about £150,000. Supercar killer in a dad wagon.
They all jump started us.
We dropped the Koenigsegg, he had a very poor launch. That BMW is gone.
So we reset and go again. Lights down launch, the BMW absolutely rockets off the line thanks to its all-wheel drive. The Lamborghini launches clean and strong, but the Jesko struggles for traction early on. As the cars charge down the runway, the BMW holds the lead. The Lamborghini tries to chase, but the Koenigsegg just can't put the power down in time.
Here's the times.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the BMW won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 9.5 seconds. The Lamborghini took 9.8 seconds, and the Koenigsegg was last with a time of 9.9 seconds. And you might be thinking, that Koenigsegg seems a bit slow, because previously I've had 9.6 out of a Jesko Attack.
Brake test, stay here. God, this car's loud. That was embarrassing for me.
From high-speed, full emergency stop, and this time the Koenigsegg dominates. It stops shorter than both the BMW and the Lamborghini, proving that performance isn't just about speed, but also control and confidence. So what's the final verdict? The BMW M3 Touring is the ultimate value monster. It dominates the standing quarter mile and embarrasses cars worth millions. The Lamborghini Revuelto is consistent, fast, and incredibly refined, blending old-school V12 emotion with modern tech. And the Koenigsegg Jesko Attack is a pure weapon. Once moving, nothing here can touch it. 3 cars, 3 completely different philosophies, and all of them absolutely insane. If you enjoyed this battle, smash that like button, subscribe for more extreme drag races, and I'll see you in the next one.